Hello, welcome on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to be with me always when I'm releasing the new updates. Kaizer Chiefs have reportedly spoken to the former Manchester United striker as the potential candidate for their vacant coaching position. Chiefs are on the looking out for a new coach following the departure of Cedric Kazi and Khalil Ben Youssef. When their contract is expired at the end of the season. However, Frenchman Fernando da Cruz has been widely reported to have agreed to take over, with his arrival set to be late this month at the multiple outlets. Da Cruz is well known to the Chiefs players as he believes safety and assisted to former coach Nasreddine Nabi before he left to take up a role as a Moroccan FA. Oh, Yoka's first coaching job was with Australian A-League side Macarthur Bulls between 2022 and 2023, guiding them to Australian Cup to the club's first trophies. Yeah. Then he coached the Trinidad and Tobago from 2024 to 2026, narrow missing out on a World Cup playoff place, but he has been lauded for lifting the standards of game in the country as well as handling the team to the fans. Where the Chiefs talked the where the Chiefs talked to York, it is reported that he is the firm favorite for the Jamaican job, which fell vacant when Englishman Steve McScran resigned last November. Now, that is left the Chiefs' job to Da Cruz, a Grammar Boys rookie, to return their great days. Thank you so much for reaching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe when you need to get new updates about football in Africa. Thank you so much for reaching my channel. Okay, bye.